Hi crafters, Echo here with a stamp layering technique with woodland layers from Unity Stamp Company. On a white A2 card panel, we're going to stamp the first layer of trees, lining it up so it's straight. This is Gina K Moonlight Fog, and when I'm inking up the stamp, I don't bring the ink all the way down to keep from having a harsh line, so that the trees will just layer seamlessly. I'm going in with the second color of Gina K Jelly Bean Green. And then I'm going back with the first color, the Gina K Moonlight Fog, and just kind of blending it so it blends, so it looks just like it's all blended and layered together. Grabbing the next stamp and inking it up with Gina K Fresh Asparagus, and again inking up just the top half and leaving the bottom half. And then I took a blending brush and blended that ink a little bit on the stamp before I stamped it. And then just keep alternating between the stamps. This is Gina K Slate. And just working our way down the card panel. Now, if you get a section of white like that, you can leave it. It looks kind of cool. Or just go in and blend it with the previous color. And then lining up another, just alternating with the trees. And this is black, Onyx Black, Gina K. And I could have, and I didn't, but because I was in the habit, I could have brought it all the way down, because at the very last one it wouldn't have mattered. But we're die cutting it and it'll be fine. So I'm just going in ink blending with the slate with a little bit of white, and then ink blending with the black at the bottom, because I didn't stamp it. I should have. And it'll be fine because I die cut it. Just dilute a little bit of white paint and splatter and let dry. Stamping and die cutting the sentiment with Heart of Christmas stamp set and die cut the Christmas, drop it into the Misty, and then stamp it. And we got the Christmas. I'm going to be using the Mary from another kit, the Say It Big Holiday, because I wanted a smaller Mary on the card. And just stamping that with white pigment ink and embossing with white embossing powder, heat setting it. Trim the sentiment and assemble the card. I used a gray matting and a white card base. I distress the gray matting always, the edges. Add the stamped card panel and glue on the sentiments, and you're done. Pretty simple stamped layered tree card. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Bye.